Good to see you again, John. What have you been up to these days? Starting a business, mostly. Good for you. What kind of business are we talking? It's called John's Golf Enterprises. So you're opening a golf course? Ha! No. I'm going into business as a golfer. Let me guess. You want to deduct your golf fees as business expenses. And all the new clubs I buy. Is this plus a whole lot of golf balls, because my drives slice real hard. Is this a profit-seeking venture? You mean, do I think I will ever make any money at it? That is exactly what I mean. No, I'm legitimately terrible. Hard to watch. No etiquette either. At the end of the day, it's all about jumping the cart over the sand traps and shredding the green. Not making money. Then by definition, it is not a business. It's a hobby. Okay, so it's a hobby. What difference does that make? Business losses can be deducted from your income. Hobby losses cannot. So if I intend to make money, it's a business. If not, it's a hobby? That's the bottom line, yes. Plus, to be considered a business, you would need to be actively involved in the business continuously. Oh, I'm on the green pretty continuously. But yeah, not to make a profit. That's not going to happen. Not even in 2 years? You couldn't win some prize money and treat it as revenue? Maybe. Why? If you intend to start making money within a couple of years, you could argue that it's a business. Because most businesses take a while to start generating income? Exactly. The trouble is that, as far as I know, most people would never make a profit golfing. The expenses are high and the prizes are small. With that said, the IRS might reject your business and call it a hobby right out of the gate. So should I not have applied for an employer identification number? Yeah, probably not. If you want, I can help you clean up that mess. Please and thank you. But let's assume, just for a minute, that this was a more legitimate business idea. Okay, what would you advise me to do going forward? Assuming you already applied for your EIN, I would recommend applying for LLC status. What does LLC stand for? Limited Liability Company. Usually there's a small fee to be recognized as an LLC, depending on the state. One advantage of doing this is that it shows the government that you are serious about pursuing a business venture. Another advantage is protection against personal liability if something goes wrong and an injured party wants to sue you. Ah, that makes a lot of sense. You're so helpful. I do my best. Then, if the business starts making lots of money, you can file to be taxed as an S corporation. How would that help me? The biggest reason would be to avoid paying self-employment tax. But don't think it's a tax-free situation. I can assure you it is not. Are there any tax-free situations? I wish. Same here. So, you got places to be? Always. You? Of course.